Hey travelers, welcome back to the channel Travel Guider, where we uncover the coolest gadgets to make your journeys easier and more fun. Today, we're exploring 20 new travel gadgets on Amazon for this year that every adventurer needs. From smart organizers to innovative tools, these must-have gadgets will upgrade your trips and make travel smooth, convenient, and exciting. Let's dive in and discover the ultimate travel essentials. Number 1. FlyHugs Neck Travel Pillow. Travel in comfort with the FlyHugs Neck Travel Pillow. Ergonomically designed, it supports your neck and reduces strain during long flights, train rides, or road trips. Soft, lightweight, and portable, it's easy to carry and fits in your bag or luggage. Durable and easy to clean, it provides cozy, reliable support anytime, anywhere. Comfortable, practical, and essential. This travel pillow ensures he arrives at his destination relaxed and refreshed, ready to enjoy every adventure. Number 2. Vacbird Rechargeable Travel Storage Bags. Maximize packing space with Vacbird Rechargeable Travel Storage Bags. These vacuum seal bags compress clothes, bedding, and gear, saving room in your suitcase. Rechargeable, easy to use, and durable, they're perfect for long trips or weekend getaways. Lightweight and portable, they keep belongings organized, clean, and protected from dust or moisture. Practical, efficient, and innovative, these storage bags are a must-have travel gadget for men who love smart packing and stress-free trips. Number 3. Aecooly Slim Portable Handheld Fan. Stay cool on the go with the Aecooly Slim Portable Handheld Fan. Compact, lightweight, and rechargeable, it delivers a refreshing breeze wherever you are. Perfect for flights, commuting, outdoor activities, or hot destinations, it's quiet and easy to carry. Adjustable speed settings let you customize your comfort. Stylish, practical, and convenient, this handheld fan is an essential travel gadget for men who want relief from the heat anytime, anywhere. Number 4. AMOOS Cute Pill Dispenser Organizer. Keep medications and supplements organized with the AMOOS Cute Pill Dispenser Organizer. Compact and portable, it stores daily or weekly pills safely and conveniently while traveling. Lightweight, durable, and easy to carry, it fits perfectly in bags or pockets. Fun and functional design ensures you never miss a dose on the go. Practical, efficient, and reliable. This pill organizer is an ideal travel gadget for men who prioritize health and convenience while exploring. Number 5. Wowtron Vacuum Bags Travel Set Pack Smarter with the Wowtron Vacuum Bags. Travel set, perfect for compressing clothes, bedding, or travel essentials. These bags save space and protect belongings from dust and moisture. Easy to use, durable, and lightweight, they're perfect for long trips or weekend getaways. Portable and practical, they keep luggage organized and efficient. Functional, innovative, and convenient. This vacuum bag set is a must-have travel gadget for men who love hassle-free packing and extra space. Number 6. HNHMT Portable Door Lock Alarm. Secure your accommodations with the HNHMT Portable Door Lock Alarm. Easy to install, it adds an extra layer of protection in hotels, hostels, or rentals. Built-in alarm alerts you of unauthorized entry, giving peace of mind while sleeping or away. Lightweight, compact, and durable, it's perfect for travel. Practical, reliable, and essential. This portable door lock alarm is a must-have gadget for men who prioritize safety and security wherever they go. Number 7. Coupe Homegoods AirJustable Pillow. Sleep better anywhere with the Coupe Homegoods AirJustable Pillow. Adjustable firmness lets you customize support for neck and head comfort during flights, road trips, or hotels. Hypoallergenic, breathable, and lightweight, it's perfect for travel. Durable and easy to clean, it provides long-lasting comfort and convenience. Practical, versatile, and relaxing, this AirJustable pillow is an essential travel gadget for men who want restful sleep no matter where their adventures take them. Number 8. Baseus 70-Watt Universal Travel Adapter. Power up anywhere with the Baseus 70-Watt Universal Travel Adapter. Compatible with outlets in over 150 countries, it charges phones, laptops, and gadgets efficiently. Compact, lightweight, and durable, it's perfect for international travel. Safety features ensure reliable performance while protecting devices. Practical, versatile, and essential. This travel adapter is a must-have gadget for men who rely on staying connected and powered up during trips worldwide. Traveling abroad? Check out this all-in-one travel adapter that powers all your devices in over 150 countries. Number 9. Quatish Travel Utensils with Case. Dine on the go with Quatish Travel Utensils with Case. This portable set includes a fork, spoon, knife, and chopsticks in a compact, hygienic case. Perfect for camping, flights, or road trips. It's lightweight Lightweight, durable, and eco-friendly. Easy to clean and carry, it ensures convenient meals anywhere. Practical, stylish, and reusable. This travel utensil set is an essential gadget for men who love convenience, sustainability, and enjoying meals on their adventures. Number 10. iOttie Trekker Magnetic Phone Holder. Keep your phone secure on the move with the iOttie Trekker Magnetic Phone Holder. Perfect for cars, planes, or trains, it holds devices firmly in place for navigation, calls, or entertainment. Compact, portable, and easy to use, it's ideal for travel and commuting. Sleek design ensures compatibility with most phones and cases. Practical, reliable, and innovative. This magnetic phone holder is a must-have travel gadget for men who want convenience and safety on the go. Number 11. Neynosy Airplane Foot Hammock. Memory relax. During flights with the Neynosy Airplane Foot Hammock. Designed with memory foam support, it elevates your feet for better comfort and circulation on long trips. Adjustable straps fit most airplane seats, making it easy to set up and use. Lightweight, portable, and easy to carry in your bag, it provides ultimate relaxation on the go. Comfortable, practical, and innovative. This foot hammock is a must-have travel gadget for men who want stress-free, restful flights. Number 12. LEICEX Portable Sound Machine Travel. Sleep peacefully anywhere with the LISEX Portable Sound Machine. Compact and lightweight, it produces soothing white noise, nature sounds, or calming melodies to block distractions while traveling. Perfect for flights, hotels, or road trips, it helps you relax and rest better. Easy to operate and rechargeable, it's convenient for any destination. Practical, calming, and portable. This sound machine is a must-have travel gadget for men who want uninterrupted, restful sleep on the go. Number 13. ZIKUREL Apple Watch Magnetic Charger. Keep your Apple Watch powered anywhere with the ZIKUREL Magnetic Charger. Compact, portable, and reliable, it ensures your device stays charged during travel, work, or outdoor adventures. Strong magnetic connection prevents disconnection while charging. Lightweight and durable, it fits easily in bags or pockets. Practical, efficient, and essential. This magnetic charger is a must-have travel gadget for men who rely on staying connected and keeping their smartwatch powered up on the go. Number 14. Onlyone Water Dental Flosser. Portable, maintain oral hygiene on the go with the Onlyone Water Dental Flosser. Portable, rechargeable, and lightweight. It removes plaque, debris, and bacteria for a clean, fresh mouth anywhere. Adjustable water pressure ensures comfortable, effective cleaning. Ideal for travel, office, or outdoor use, it fits easily in luggage or backpacks. Practical, convenient, and hygienic. This portable water flosser is an essential gadget for men who want a healthy smile wherever they are. Number 15. LISEN Airplane Phone Holder Lite. Keep your devices organized and accessible with the LISEN Airplane Phone Holder Lite. Clips to airplane tray tables, providing a hands-free setup for watching movies, video calls, or reading. Lightweight, portable, and easy to install, it's perfect for travel. Adjustable and durable, it fits most phones and tablets. Practical, versatile, and convenient. This phone holder is a must-have travel gadget for men who want comfort and efficiency during flights or long journeys. Number 16. Nicedae Travel Size Mouthwash Packets. Stay fresh on the go with Nicedae Travel Size Mouthwash Packets. Single-use, lightweight, and portable. They're perfect for flights, road trips, or office use. Easy to carry and mess-free, they help maintain oral hygiene anywhere. Alcohol-free and safe for daily use, they're convenient and refreshing. Practical, compact, and essential. These travel mouthwash packets are a must-have gadget for men who want fresh breath and hygiene on every adventure. Stay fresh no matter where you go. Watch how these handy mouthwash packets keep your breath clean on the move. Number 17. So Mine Airplane Pocket Organizer Tray. Organize your essentials with the SO Mine Airplane Pocket Organizer Tray. Perfect for flights, it keeps devices, snacks, and personal items within easy reach. Lightweight, foldable, and durable, it fits neatly in seat pockets or bags. Convenient design ensures clutter-free travel and easy accessibility. Practical, portable, and innovative. This organizer tray is a must-have travel gadget for men who want to stay organized and comfortable while flying. Number 18. Luxebell Digital Luggage Scale Handheld. Avoid overweight baggage fees with the Luxebell Digital Luggage Scale. Compact, portable, and easy to use, it accurately weighs your luggage for smooth travel. Lightweight and durable, it fits in carry-on bags or backpacks. Simple digital display ensures precision and convenience, anytime, anywhere. Practical, efficient, and essential. This luggage scale is a must-have travel gadget for men who want stress-free, organized trips without surprises at the airport. Number 19. Aecooly Mini Airplane Phone Holder. Watch, read, or work hands-free with the MCCHJoy Mini Airplane Phone Holder. Compact, portable, and adjustable, it clips to tray tables for comfortable viewing during flights. Lightweight and easy to carry, it fits most phones and small tablets. Durable and user-friendly, it ensures convenience and comfort on the go. Practical, versatile, and handy, this mini phone holder is an essential travel gadget for men who want stress-free entertainment and productivity while flying. Number 20. VPASION Leak-Proof Silicone Travel Soap. Keep your soap mess-free with the VPASION Leak-Proof Silicone Travel Soap. Durable, flexible, and portable, it protects bars of soap in luggage, backpacks, or gym bags. Leak-proof design prevents spills and keeps toiletries organized. Lightweight and easy to clean, it's perfect for travel, camping, or everyday use. Practical, eco-friendly, and convenient. This silicone soap holder is a must-have travel gadget for men who want cleanliness and organization wherever they go. That's a wrap on the 20 new travel gadgets on Amazon. Which gadget would you take on your next trip? Comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more innovative, useful, and exciting travel gadget ideas.